Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. And just opened up this today. I was unsure if I was going to do an unboxing, but after I opened it up, I thought, I think this one deserves it. So, we have a cylinder here. And it's a very old Australian shave stick. See there? Price is 1 shilling. Rato is the name of the brand, which I've never heard of. Medicinal, nothing like a bit of medicinal. So soap, shaving stick, valuable for the prevention and cure of pimples, rash, and for resisting contagion. I wonder how it goes against COVID. Ratu or Rato, well, let's say Ratu soap, instantly yields a rich, creamy and durable lather. Softens the beard, soothes the skin, and renders shaving an easy and refreshing operation. We've got directions for use. Dip your brush in hot water and moisten the part to be shaved. That could be anywhere in your body, couldn't it? I don't think they were doing the manscaping back in the day. Not when this stuff came out. But you never know. Who knows what Gramps was up to. Apply well. Yeah, apply well the end of the shaving stick. Then with your brush, work up a good lather. Prepared by, and this is where we can't, it looks like Arthur Tilley, South Yarra, Melbourne, Victoria. Underneath the tin. Let's pop the top. Bit of corrosion inside the lid. Let's have a look what we got here. Hang on a second, I'm just going to blow this. Just blow on it. Just try and remove any loose dust. Out it comes. One moment, I was going to blow on this again. Stick and tablet form. Let's see if we can get down to the soap. See if we can expose it without damaging the paper. We can. I'm just going to rip this bit of paper. You know what? This hasn't been used. Well, that end hasn't been used. Please go back in. I maybe shouldn't have done that. I'll fix that up off camera. So this hasn't been used. I'm staggered. I just assumed that this had been used and that was it. I'll tell you what, people, I am going to shave with this. So my plan is to get a very sharp knife and just take some, or just clean the top of the soap stick first and then take the next layer off and put it into a bowl and see if we can lather it up. I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't expecting it to be brand new. I'm really happy I bought it now. Really happy. Well, I was happy to buy it in the first place, but happier now, I should say. Okay, well, I'll endeavour to get this back in here, and we'll see you in a shave video with this. Okay, ciao for now.